Civil 3D 303 is our advanced course in the Civil 3D certification program. This course is for students who have a firm grasp of Civil 3D design elements, and we will be building off of what we learned in the previous courses, so it is strongly recommended that you take those before taking this one. This course will mainly focus on data manipulation and plan production, but first we're going to cover the last object-based design element of Civil 3D, which is pressure networks. Pressure networks function similarly to pipe networks, but they are different in their materials and their joining methods. So we're going to be dealing with systems like a water network or a pressure sewage network or something like that. Anything that's going to deal with pipes flowing full under force. After we're done dealing with pipe networks, we're going to go ahead and move on to our data manipulation. What we're going to be dealing with is learning about how to reference Civil 3D data into new drawings that function like XREFs, but allow for manipulation of objects referenced as if they were active design elements in the current drawing. After we've dealt with our data manipulation, we're going to go ahead and move into creating plan sets for a roadway, anything from plan view to profile view, and then moving on to section views. After taking this course in conjunction with our other courses, you'll have covered all of the major topics in Civil 3D.